Laitkam hikai Byllai teaching vacancies. Ini kadang apa? District School Education Officer, RiBhoi District. Yang Joseph's Higher Secondary School. Bagian away, there's St. Joseph Higher Secondary School. Dan kat Prak Shillong. Dan kam assistant lecturer support English, but economics. Kibla pas MA BEd. Kila ban apply. Halangai shwa kasam tarik benai Jun. Pelapan phone tu nombor baru bantip kamera. Applications invited for the post of sociology teacher at St. Francis de Assisi Higher Secondary School, Mau Kasiang. Qualification for the applicant MA BEd. Interview will be conducted on 30th May 2025 at 10 a.m. onwards. Bring along with the original documents. Contact via kitu number. Kini deki jempentip hangan eko katop. Kidang dan show kitop ki bang gila bolang. Kadma kan kawai hapo kam hikai sociology teacher hapo St. Francis de Assisi High Secondary School Mau Kasiang. Kidan kam lepas MA BEd nangta interview ka dikla syai kasni lai photarik naime arcar pusan. Ia pet sakane kawai. Wanted education teacher at St. Peter's Higher Secondary School Dangar. Qualification kipan MA education preferably BEd with 2 years teaching experience. Lapan pun hoto kitu number lana bin pak resume jompi Hassain Claret nongbensong@gmail.com. Kani kawai pat kadi kami kai apo Mau Basil High School Telangana. Good salary plus food and accommodation free. Lapan pun kitu number balai. Tanya pat sana kawai pat ke kami kai kalai apo District School Education Officer RiBhoi District Nongpoh. Application standard form as present in part 9 of the Gazette of Meghalaya are invited from interested candidates as citizens of India for temporary engagement on contractual basis for the dissection post of assistant lecturers in government higher secondary school. Kada apo Jirang Government Higher Secondary School, New Jirang RiBhoi District Art Stream. Nangta kipos kami ada assistant lecturer economics kawai, history kawai, political science kawai, education kawai, philosophy kawai. Takipan second class master degree in respective subject with BEd. Kajing siu kadai lamsam 10,000 manubenai. Candidates should not be less than 18 years or not more than 32 years as on 1st January 2025. Upper age limit is flexible by 5 years in case of SC/ST. Interested candidates can submit the application to the office of the District School Education Officer, RiBhoi District Nongpoh on or before 18 June 2025. Incomplete application will be summarily rejected. Katarik bakado menap yan application form, mantap yan kam hapo Jirang Government High Secondary School kadai khat pratarik penai Jun arja persan happen poi hapo office jung District School Education Officer RiBhoi District Nongpoh. Halan iswa ka khat pratarik penai Jun ar hajar ar pusan. Kide de kam ki ba ngiyok lumlang bat pentip mentah.